Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 PostgreSQL as the database on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, so open any web browser, then first you need to install the PostgreSQL server on Debian 12. If you haven't installed, search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, then go to Zabbix official website, that is zabbix.com. See here, at the time of installation, the latest release is Zabbix 7.2. Click on Get Zabbix, then select the Zabbix packages. Scroll down. See here, we have to select the first Zabbix version. See here, we have the versions 5.0 to 7.2. But 7.4 is the free release. So, select the 7.2, then select the operating system Debian. Then see here, we have three versions, 12, 11 and 10. So, based on your OS version, you have to select. I am on Debian 12 operating system, so select 12. Then select the Zabbix components. I am going to install server, frontend and agent. And I am going to select databases PostgreSQL. But if you want MySQL, then search for my YouTube channel. There is a video how to install and configure Zabbix 7.2 on Debian 12. There I used MySQL. Okay. Then web server I am going to use Apache. Okay, so first open terminal. So first verify whether we have the Apache web server or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, Apache is already installed. If you haven't installed, then run the following command: sudo apt install Apache 2 and hit enter. Okay, so I have already installed, so I am not going to install again. Now see, once we selected these options, see here it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. See here we have these steps. So but before installing these, we have to install following PHP and its extensions. So execute this command. I will keep this command in the video description. Type and hit enter. See, we have also installed this package. I will keep both these commands in the video description. Control A. Now come to here, then run these commands one by one. See, it is going to download this Debian package. So paste it, hit enter. Successfully downloaded ls. See here we have the Zabbix package. So install it, sudo dpkg-i, then give Zabbix. Use the tab to autofill entire package name, hit enter. It is successfully installed. Control A. See, this is completed. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Control L. Then install Zabbix server, frontend and agent. So copy this command. Sudo, then paste it. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now step C, that is create the initial database. So it is going to create user and initial database. So copy this command. This command will work if you have installed PostgreSQL. As I told you, if you haven't installed, check for my YouTube channel how to install. Then paste it, hit enter. Now set the password for, see, this is the username, so we have to set the password for this user. Remember this password. I am giving password as admin at 123. Same, provide the same password for this user. Hit enter. It is done. Now create the database. So it is going to create the database Zabbix. Okay, hit enter. It is successfully created. Let us verify. Sudo su-postgres esql /l. See here we have the Zabbix database. Okay, also verify users. See, we have user Zabbix. Okay, now exit from the PostgreSQL, exit again, Control A. Now import the initial schema and data. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. See, it is creating indexes and importing the data. See, it is inserting data. Okay. All done. Control A. Now we have to configure database for Zabbix server. So go to this file, copy this path, sudo vi, or use any text editor that you are familiar with. So go down to or just search for DB password. Just see here we have the DB password. See, we have to set the password here. Okay. So remove it, Shift A, then provide the password of the Zabbix user. As I told you, I have given the admin at 123. So save the file, :WQ exclamation. Now we have to start the Zabbix server and its agent processes. So copy this command, paste it, but at the start give the sudo, hit enter. It is done. Now enable these processes, these services. Okay. So copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter. All done. Control A. Now open Zabbix web UI. So copy this one, go to the new tab, paste it. Instead of host, we have to give whatever the host name of this PC, because Zabbix is installed on this one. So here replace host with host name of the Debian operating system. Hit enter. See here we got the welcome to Zabbix 7.2. Then click on next step. See here prerequisites all are green and OK. So click on next step. Select the database, PostgreSQL. Database is installed on this PC, so localhost is fine. Port number for the PostgreSQL is 5432. Then database name is Zabbix. Then schema name. Okay. Again connect to PostgreSQL, sudo su -postgres esql /c Zabbix. Hit enter. /dn is the command to verify the list of the schemas. See here we have only one schema, that is public schema. In this schema we have the table. So use the public. Then provide the password of Zabbix, that is admin at 123 in my case. Then click on next step. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix server is installed on this PC, so I am giving localhost, or give the host name of this one. Exit. See, you can give this one also, but both are fine. So I am giving, it is up to you. So copy this one, paste here, then select the default time zone, then select the theme. I am going with all remaining defaults. Then click on next step. See, this is the pre-installation summary. Then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Okay. So you want to see the configuration. See here, this is the configuration file. Okay. Then click on finish. Now we have to provide username and password. Username is A must be caps admin. Then password is Zabbix. All are in small case. If you give like small ADMIA, then it won't work. Okay. So A must be caps. Then click on sign in. Not now. See, we have successfully connected to Zabbix server version 7.2.7. Okay. See here in the left side, this is dashboards, monitoring services and other options. Okay. If you want to change the password of this current admin user, click on users. Then again click on users. Click on, see here we have the admin user and guest user. Guest user is disabled. Okay. Click on admin. Then click on change password. Then here we have to give the current password or new password. Then you have to click on update. Okay. I'm not going to change. Then go to users. If you want to create user, go to this side. See here you have the create user option. You have to create. Okay. So the last option that I'm going to show you is exit from PostgreSQL. Again exit. Control A. Suppose if you stop the Apache web server, sudo systemctl stop Apache 2, hit enter. It is stopped. Status. See, it is stopped. Okay. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. So Apache server must be up and running. Q to kit. So start it again. Verify. See, Apache server started. Now reload this page. See, you have successfully connected to Zabbix server. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Zabbix server 7.2 databases PostgreSQL on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.